Thini wa mucemanio uria utabanirio gatagati-ini ka arigitani aria metereire kuheo mweke wa gutungatira arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi mubango-ini wa internship na atongoria kiama-ini gia KMPDU, arigitani aya maiguithaniirie guthie mugaru na murugamo wa thirikari.
We are always ready to strike. We are always ready to demonstrate as long as the government calls us to do it.
Kuringana na KMPDU, thirikari irecurania uria marihi ma arigitani aya mekunyihio kuma muigana wa ciringi 260,000 nginyagia ciringi 70,000. KMPDU igikinyiriria matigwitikira undu uyu ukinyanirio amu tiguo maiguithaniirie ngirimiti-ini ya mwaka wa 2017.
We are 1 year back to where we were because we are dealing with a very dishonest government. We are dealing with a very deceitful individuals. We are dealing with people who do not mean what they say and who do not take into act what has been agreed.
It is our interns who run our hospitals. They must be given the respect that they deserve.
Atongoria ya hamwe noguo maheanite notithi ya thiku 30 ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikorwo igitikira gutia ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2017 na kwaga uguo arigitani thibitari-ini cia muingi guothe bururi-ini maige mirothi macokererie mugomo-ini hamwe na mirurungano.
The president and the deputy president are getting a budget of 5 billion just for entertainment. An additional, let me correct, an additional budget of 5 billion. And just to create a picture, that budget, 5 billion shillings, is enough to post 4,000 interns for a whole year.
If they dare try and implement or do that thing which the CS said, whether it was conscious or unconscious, is not our business. But what is very key important is that they should not try.
Maya mahanikite riri na warigitani aria makoretwo mubango-ini wa UHC matabanirie mururungano kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria mamenereirie thirikari nene kumana na kwaga kuhingia ciiraniro iria maiguithaniirie ciigie kuheo wira wa gutura,
na itaendelea mpaka wakati serikali itaamua kufanya ile kitu tunataka.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.